What's up, everybody? Nolan of Black Diamond Services. I'm out at a commercial account. I got another video I'm hoping to put together as long as the content came out the way I want it. I will go over it in the video of what it's about, but more or less the importance of education. But I'm out here doing 3 chairs and the carpet. 3 chairs have stains on, the rest of them look good, so that's what my commercial client wanted. So let's take a look. So nothing major, just some little spotting here and there that we got on this. And normally I would do this to show you guys, but clearly it's a swivel chair, so it's kind of hard to do this and show you guys the complete clean. But I've actually haven't had this tool for very long. It may look kind of like my other one, but it's a better version of it. Sapphire Scientific. I love it so far. As you can see, that stain came out. So this is just a better build quality. The spacing is more heavy duty. That line right there is better. Doesn't bend as easy, where my other one, it would bend, and over time it would eventually break. So I'm suspecting that this one will last me quite a bit longer. So like I said, there's 3 chairs to do. I've already done one of them. This is the second, and then the other one is right here. Minor stains, but they said, you know, because the rest of the chairs are in good shape, just to worry about those ones. Alright, so I'm working on the back room here. Basically like kind of a break room for the employees, and where the bathroom's at. This carpet hides it pretty well. Alright, so I'm working in the back here, the break room's space. This carpet hides the dirt really well. As you can see, the transition from the spot by the back door here, already clean. It doesn't look like it's that bad, but it actually is. The last one I did that had the same color carpet squares had a similar appearance. Couldn't tell since it's brown. It's been, I think a year and a half, maybe 2 years since I've done this location. So as I was mentioning earlier, when I was cleaning that upholstery, so there was a few multiple day gaps between the last video and this one. And the reason being is because I actually went to do some extended education on cleaning nice area rugs such as silk, wool, and mercerized cotton, which looks like kind of like silk, just doesn't look as shiny, but feels soft like it. Proper care, how to deal with them, and all that. So I got some footage while I was at the class. I'm gonna piece together little bits of it, nothing too much. So if that footage actually turned out well, then look out for that video. So if you're not subscribed, you're going to want to hit the subscribe button, because there's a lot of people online that are commenting on these other guys' videos, you know, saying that's such a waste of water, you know, how much is being used to clean them, but there's a reason for it. It is actually not a waste. It is how it has to be done in order to professionally clean them. So watch out for that video, and of course my future videos, as I slowly start to bring the area rug department together. It's going to be a while, as I got to make sure this side of the business is busy, or if I get so busy in area rugs that I actually have to hire somebody to take over my van, then I'll be doing that and probably spending more time in the area rug shop than out on carpet jobs. It just depends. This is kind of how I have to do it in order to successfully grow the business and add that in. So I know a lot of you love seeing area roads cleaned. I mean, it's pretty satisfying. So watch out for that. If you missed the last video, go check it out. It's about a Moroccan wool rug, which is from Africa, based on my research. And what I had to do to clean that one that I learned from a class and instructors that are amazing and very, very helpful. So be sure to check that one out. I think it's like 2 or 3 videos back. And I believe I put it in the playlist for area rug cleaning. Alright, so I'm making my way down this walk path between the desks, doing each desk individually as I make it to them. The lights here must be on a timer because all I got is natural light in this area. So that's why I've kind of skipped over a bunch before filming again, because it probably wouldn't be very good quality. Yeah, and to top it off, I blocked off this spot a little bit next to my van because I got stuff running out the side. Thankfully, it didn't break, but somebody decided to just run my my corner guard that I use to, show that this spot shouldn't be parked in. So I got that to enjoy. And then earlier, it's next to a grocery store. Earlier, every time I walked out of this door to this place, there was another shopping cart left right in front of it. 3 of them total. Tell you what, people are wild and don't really care. So I put the carts together and moved them so that way it was easy for the guy that would come out to grab them and put them back for people. Just because it's kind of surprising, but it's the only downside to commercial jobs that are in parking lots with a bunch of other businesses is trying to set it up so you can show people that, hey, it'd be wise to walk around or park somewhere else so it's convenient for everybody. But you know what? This carpet's coming out great. That's what I care about the most. Have a satisfied client. Can't tell, like I said, this dark carpet really hides it, but it is pretty dirty. Alright, so finishing up pre-spraying the front here. This is where I had all the desk chairs pushed out to. They just want all the traffic areas done wherever my wand can fit. So, almost done. Just this front lobby here kind of area. Figured I'd try and show a little bit of pre-spray. You can't tell much difference of what's going on here, but I actually kind of already got this spot. Doesn't hurt to have a little bit extra in spots where people are going to sit. So this is going to be the best before and after. This is leaving the lobby, going down the walk path to the desks. Considering the light situation, I didn't take any before and afters just because it wasn't going to look good, except for right here. Everything's doing quite well, so I'm pretty satisfied with this one. Watching it flow through the sight glass on the top to see where I'm at. Then up next, I got an estimate for some area rugs, it sounds like. Might be something else as well. And then I got one more job after that. That's a decent size. And that'll be it for this Monday. Appreciate everybody who has made it this far in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you know when I drop different videos. Like I said, this next one is definitely a very important one to me. If I can, once I look at the footage that I took, if it's up to what I'm feeling like my standards are for this particular video, then I'm going to share it. It probably won't be too long, but it is definitely an important one if you're ever going into the cleaning industry and doing anything at all with it, especially particularly area rugs. There'll be a little bit of good information in there for you. Till next time.